Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore TikTok Pixel to measure affiliate link clicks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Navigate to the Assets tab on the left side of the dashboard. Select Event from the drop-down menu. Look for the pixel you want to restore. Click on the pixel name to access its settings. Review the pixel's current status. If it shows as inactive, proceed to the next step. Click on the Restore button located on the Pixel Settings page. Follow the prompts to confirm the restoration process. Once restored, ensure the pixel is correctly installed on your website. Visit the TikTok Pixel Helper browser extension to verify the installation. Check that the pixel is tracking correctly by navigating to your affiliate link. Conduct a test by clicking on the affiliate link yourself. Return to the TikTok Ads Manager to check for the recorded events. Monitor the pixel's performance over the next few days. Adjust any settings as necessary based on the data collected. Make sure you regularly check for any updates or changes to the pixel functionality. This will help ensure you continue to track affiliate link clicks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.